Welcome to the classroom. Click on the whiteboard to get started on your first lesson. A. Apple. A. Apple. Continue to next activity. A is for apple. Ant. 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 Continue to next.
Go to the classroom.
Welcome to the zoo. Now click on the zoo map to visit the animals, or click here to find zoo game. Zoo animal wheel. Spin the wheel. Spin the wheel. You landed on elephant. Elephants use their trunks to pick up their food and put it into their mouths, and to suck up water and squirt it into their mouths. Collect tickets. You landed on giraffe. Giraffes can run 30 miles an hour. That's as fast as a car on a city street. Spin the wheel. You landed on anteater. Anteaters are also called giant anteaters. Spin the wheel. You landed on gorilla. Gorillas eat fruit, leaves, and plants, and then use the leftover branches and leaves to make their beds. Spin the wheel. You landed on camel. A camel can close its nose tight to keep sand out of its nose. Spin the wheel. You landed on lion. The lionesses hunt in groups at night. Spin the wheel. Spin the wheel. You landed on rhino. Male and female rhinos whistle when trying to get each other's attention. Spin the wheel. You landed on koala. A mother koala carries her baby in a pocket on her tummy called a pouch. Spin the wheel. You landed on kangaroo. Kangaroos like the cool nighttime best. During the day, they rest in the shade. Spin the wheel.